Naik Jadunath Singh was second Paramveer Chakra recipient. Good evening, gentlemen. My today's lecture topic is Naik Jadunath Singh Paramveer Chakra awardee. So, being a soldier, it's been a very honorable for me to tell you about the bravery of Naik Jadunath Singh. First of all, we have to know what is Paramveer Chakra. Gentlemen, Paramveer Chakra is the highest military decoration award for the brave action in the battlefield. Till date, we have only 21 Paramveer Chakras awardees. Out of 21 awardees, 20 are from Indian Army and 1 from Indian Air Force. Naik Jadunath Singh was second Paramveer Chakra recipient. Now talking about Jadunath Singh's history, Naik Jadunath Singh was born on 21st November 1916 in Shahjahanpur district in Uttar Pradesh. His father was a farmer and they are very poor. He was third amongst the 8 of his children. Naik Jadunath Singh studied till 4th class. After 4th class, due to financial condition of his home, he left the studies and helped his father in farming. In 1941, he joined the British Indian Army. He got 7th Regiment of Rajput. He got 7th Regiment of Rajput. After that, he took part in Second World War and deployed in Burma, what we have now called Myanmar. He fought with Japanese at Burma. For his brave actions in Burma, he got promotion and got Naik rank. After the independence of India, as we all know, after the instrument of accession of Kashmir, the Pakistan sent their Mujahideens to raid the Kashmir and took the Kashmir. So, after the Pakistanis invade Kashmir, the 15th Battalion of Para Regiment has been deployed in that to counter them. And his Rajput is also attached in the 50th Para Regiment. So he has been deployed in Nowshera, and Nowshera is very important in the strategical purpose for Pakistan, because it will cut down the supply. It will cut down the supply of army if Pakistan got the Nowshera sector. Naik Jadunath Singh was given the post at Tendhar. He has team of 9 men. On the 6th of February 1948, the first assault of Pakistan came into the attack at Tendhar post. Naik Jadunath Singh and his men fought with them and killed them all. At that battle, the 4 soldiers of his company got severely injured. Now he has left with 5 men. Then, after that, the Pakistani again assault in the second phase of assault. They came in very high numbers, and they also took weapons and ammunition in large numbers. They attacked the post again, but Naik Jadunath Singh keep himself cool and calm and motivate his soldiers to fight till their death. After the second attack, Nayak Jadunath Singh lost his all soldiers and he himself holding the post. He successfully managed to tackle the second assault of Pakistanis. Then he, he got communication from the higher authorities and he demanded more ammunition because his ammunition is getting over. Then the higher authorities said that they don't have ammunition. So now the situation is that he has to face the enemy with the minimum ammunition. Then the third assault came of the Pakistani soldiers in heavy numbers. Nayak Jadunath Singh took all the required resources around him, took all his soldiers, ammunition and weapon, and he single-handedly found the third assault of their Pakistani team. At the end of the war, he get bullets on his chest and head, and he killed 24 soldiers of Pakistani army. For his brave actions, he has been awarded Paramveer Chakra posthumously. So this is the story of Nayak Jadunath Singh, and it's been a very honor for us and for the whole country that we have produced such a brave soldiers in our country. Thank you, gentlemen.